Hi guys! Engineer Miller here. Welcome to my channel. Mag-uumpisa tayo ngayong araw ng panibagong lesson or series. Start tayo sa Algebra. Age problem tayo ngayong araw. Okay? Sa age problem, pag nagsosolve tayo dito, ang importante dito, maintindihan natin yung principle. At yun, no? Time elapsed for all persons concerned are equal. Pag sinabi natin yan, ang ibig sabihin dyan is, kung ilan yung lumipas sa isang tao na time, yun din ang time na lilipas sa isa pang tao. Okay? So, para ma-illustrate natin itong principle na to, let's say for example, meron tayong dalawang tao dyan. Let's say person A and then person B. Now, si person A, suppose now, ngayong 2022, ang edad niya ay 28. And let's say si B ay 16. So, pag pinag-usapan natin yung time elapsed for all persons concerned are equal, ibig sabihin yan, sa taong 2028 halimbawa, that will be 6 years from now, ang edad ni A ay magiging 34. From 28 ngayon, magiging 34. At ang gagawin natin para malaman natin yun, i-plus natin siya ng 6. Now, kung si A ay dinagdagan mo ng 6, dapat si B ay dagdagan mo rin ng 6. So, ang edad ni B in 2028 is 22. Time elapsed for all persons concerned are equal. Kung ilan yung lumipas na taon or na time kay A, yun din ang lilipas na time kay B. And in the same manner, sa nung taong 2015, ang edad ni A ay 21 I should say. Binawasan mo ng 7. In the same manner, si B ay babawasan mo rin ng 7. Kung ilan yung lumipas kay B, yun din ang lilipas kay A and vice versa. Okay, kung ilan yung idadagdag mo kay A, yun din ang idadagdag mo sa edad ni B. Kung ilan yung ibabawas mo sa edad ni A, yun din ang ibabawas mo sa edad ni B. Okay? This does not necessarily mean na kapag yung edad ni A ay madodoble, dapat yung edad din ni B ay madodoble. No, hindi yun hindi necessarily na gano'n, no? May mga certain instances lang na nangyayari yun, pero bihira lang. Okay? Now, to illustrate this further, let's try to solve problems here. I've entitled this video as Mastering Age Problems. Kasi magsusolve tayo ng maraming problems to starting from most basic pahirap ng pahirap. Okay? Let's try this one. This problem was a viral problem. Napanood nyo siguro yung video nito dati na nag-viral. But ito yung problem, no? My sister's age was half my age when I was 6. If I am now 40 years old, how old is my sister? Okay? Ngayon, sabi dito, nung ako daw ay 6 years old, or when I was 6 years old, my age is 6, or I was 6. Yung edad ni sister ko is half my age, which will now become 3. Kalahati ng 6. Now, ang sabi niya, if I am now 40 years old, so, if I am now 40 years old, how old is my sister? Now, ang principle is, time elapsed for all persons concerned are equal. Ilan yung nagdaang time or ilan yung lumipas na time sa akin? Well, from 6 to 40, dumaan dyan is 34 years has already elapsed. Ganun din, kung 34 ang idadagdag mo sa edad ko from before to now, ang sister ko ay dadagdagan mo rin ng 34. Okay? So that ang edad niya ay magiging 37. Okay? So remember this. Kahit nung bata kami is kalahati nung edad ko, yung edad niya, well, hindi ibig sabihin na forever kalahati na ng edad ko, yung edad niya. No. The point is that the time elapsed for all persons concerned are equal. 34 years yung nag-elapse sa akin. So, 34 years din yung mag-i-elapse dun sa aking sister. Yun yung solution nito. No? Tandaan nyo ito. Now, let's move to more familiar problems. Problem number 2. Sabi niya dito, Peter is 29 years old. In 5 years, he will be twice as old as John. How old is John? Okay. Sa mga ganitong problem involving multiple persons or kahit isa lang, the best way to solve this is yung gamit itong table na to, no? Itong table. Maglagay ka lang ng table na 4 na column. Andyan si person, si past, si present, and si future. Okay? Now, tignan mo yung mga persons involved. 2 ang tao dyan, no? Si Peter at saka si John. Ngayon, umpisahan nating basahin dun sa unang sentence. Sabi niya, Peter is 29 years old. So, hanapin mo ngayon yung verb at saka kung ano yung tense niya. Yung verb natin is. Ano yung tense ng verb na yon? Is it past, present, or future? Well, is, ibig sabihin is present, ngayon. So, ibig sabihin dyan, dun sa column ng present at sa row ni Peter, ang edad ni Peter ay 29 presently. Okay. Ano ang present age ni John? Walang binanggit sa problem. So, lagyan na lang natin ng variable. Let's say, X. Kahit anong variable na gusto ninyo. Okay, now, ang sabi niya, ituloy natin yung pagbasa. In 5 years. In 5 years. Ano yun? Past, present, or future? Well, sa loob ng 5 taon or 5 years from now, ibig sabihin yun sa future yun. So, punta tayo sa column ng future. Si Peter, ang edad niya ngayon ay 29. In 5 years, ang edad niya ay magiging 29 plus 5. So, kung si Peter dadagdagan mo ng 5, si John dagdagan mo rin ng 5. Iyan yung magiging representative age ni John in 5 years. Okay? Now, let's continue reading. He will be twice as old as John. Okay? Now, una, tingnan natin, sabi niya dito, dun sa in 5 years na condition, sabi niya, dun sa future na area. He, that means Peter, kasi siya yung nandun sa unang sentence. Will be, pag nakita niyo yung mga will be, is, was, yung mga yan, ibig sabihin yan ay equals, automatic. So, this will be equals. Peter, he will be equals twice as old as, or meaning 2 times. Ayan. As John. Let's represent it as J. So, yung ating equation in 5 years will be P is equal to 2J. Or Peter will be twice as old as John. P is equal to 2J. Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay si future. Ang future ay ito yon. Ibig sabihin yung P or edad ni Peter in the future ay 29 plus 5, that means 34 is equal to twice ng yung edad ni John is X plus 5. So yan na yung equation, and from here masosolve na natin yung value ng X natin, which is 12. Okay? Now, ang hinahanap dito sa problem is, how old is John? Now, notice again yung tense ng verb is. How old is John? Ibig sabihin yan ay yung present age ni John. Kung titignan mo yung table, ang age ni John in the present ay ito yon, no? Which is X. So, John is or equals X years old. At nasolve na natin si X na 12, so therefore John is 12 years old. Iyan yung ginagawa natin sa pag-solve ng mga age problem. Now, notice how we did it. Ginamit natin yung table. Nilagay natin yung persons involved. And then, pinilinan natin yung problem isa-isa. Okay? Fill up natin yung table based dun sa mga statement na sinabi sa problem. And then, dun sa second condition niya, in 5 years, dun tayo mag-a-apply ng ating algebraic principles, yung mga word to equation ways to do it, principles, no? For example, sabi niya, he will be twice as old as John. So that will be P is equal to 2J. And from there, masosolve natin yung value ng X or nung variable. And nung masolve na natin yung value ng variable, masosolve na natin agad yung edad ni John. Let's try some more. The sum of the ages of Jane and Lily is 42. If the ratio of Lily's age to Jane's is 5:3, 5 years ago, how old is Jane now? Okay. So again, table, past, present, future, at saka yung persons. Dalawa yung andyan. Andyan si Jane at saka si Lily. Now, sabi dun sa unang statement, the sum of the ages of Jane and Lily is 42. Okay, now punta tayo dun sa table. Sabi niya, the sum is 42. Ibig sabihin yung is sa present tayo. Punta tayo sa column ni present. Now, kailangan maglagay tayo ng variable na kahit ano, X na lang gamitin natin. Either kay Jane or kay Lily mo ilagay yung X, walang problema dyan, no? So let's just put X sa edad ni Jane as representative of the age of Jane. Now, some books or some teachers would say that kung si Jane ay X, si Lily ay Y. I don't like that, no? Kung si Jane ay X, ang first condition sabi niya, the age of Jane and Lily is 42. So kung X si Jane, si Lily ay 42 minus X. So in this way, mas madali siya kasi isa lang yung variable na kinukonsider natin, lalo na pag dalawang tao lang. Now, let's continue the problem. Sabi niya, if the ratio of Lily's age to Jane's age is 5:3, 5 years ago. Okay? So sabi niya, 5 years ago. Pag ago, syempre yan ay sa past. Now, 5 years ago, kung ang present na age ni Jane ay X, ang age niya 5 years ago will be X minus 5. Babawasan mo ng 5. And kung binawasan mo si Jane ng 5, bawasan mo rin si Lily ng 5. Okay? So, puntahan natin ulit. Sabi niya, 5 years ago. 5 dapat yan. Nagkamali lang. 5 years ago. Sa past tayo, no? Now, sabi niya, yung ratio ng edad ni Lily sa ratio ng edad ni Jane is 5:3. How will you put that into equation? Well, simply, Lily over Jane is equal to 5/3. Ganun lang yun. Lily over Jane is to 5/3. Ayan na yung magiging equation. Basta pag nakita niyo yung is doon, ibig sabihin nun is equal, no? So from here, pwede na nating i-cross multiply and ang lalabas ay 3L is equal to 5J pag cross multiplication. From there, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay si past 5 years ago. Again pakipalitan na lang natin, 5 years dapat 'yon. So, ang edad ni Lily 5 years ago is 42 minus X minus 5 or 37 minus X. Yung edad ni Jane 5 years ago is X minus 5. And from there, masosolve mo na yung value ng X or yung variable mo, which is 17. Okay? Now, ang hinahanap sa problem is, how old is Jane? Again, is, so meaning present. Ang hinahanap ay yung present age ni Jane, so ito yon, no? Now, ang present age ni Jane ay X, which nasolve natin na 17. So, si Jane ay 17 years old. Okay? 17 years old. Nadali lang, di ba? Let's continue. Number 4. Sabi niya dito, Will is 8 years younger than Matt. 9 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 50. Find the present age of each. Aha. So, table ulit tayo. Dalawang persons ulit ang nakikita natin dyan. Si Will at saka si Matt. So, ang sabi dun sa unang statement, Will is, o present yon, 8 years younger than Matt. Okay? Will is 8 years younger than Matt. Now, again, dun sa present, maglagay ka ng variable. Either kay Matt or kay Will. Let's put the variable to Will. Okay? Kay Will, ilagay natin si X. Kung si Will ay 8 years younger than Matt, mas bata siya, so ilan ang edad ni Matt kung ang edad ni Will ay X? Well, ito ay X plus 8 kasi mas matanda si Matt, mas bata si Will. Okay? So, X plus 8. Now, ang sabi niya, 9 years from now. Meaning, ito yung future, 9 years from now. So, sa future table, lagdagan natin yung values ng age nila ng 9. So, X plus 9, kung dagdagan mo yan ng 9, dagdagan mo rin si Matt ng 9. Okay? So, X plus 17 equivalent. The sum of their ages will be 50. Okay? So, doon sa condition ng second sentence, sabi niya, in 9 years from now or in the future, yung sum daw ng age nila ay 50. Ibig sabihin, yung sum ng edad ni Will plus yung sum ng yung edad ni Matt is equal to 50. The sum of their ages will be 50. Okay? Will be equals 50. Now, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay sa future area. So, dito yon, no? Ang edad ni ni Will sa future ay X plus 9. Si Matt ay X plus 17 is equal to 50. And so, from there, masusolve na naman natin yung value ng variable X, which is 12. Okay? From there, makukuha na natin kung anong hinahanap. Ang sinabi ng problem, find their present age or ages, or find the present ages of each. Now, here, present ang hinahanap, so punta tayo sa column ni present. Dalawa silang hinahanap, so si Will muna tayo. Ang present age ni Will ay X, therefore that will be 12, kasi yung X ay 12. So, Will is 12 years old. And in the same manner, si Matt naman ay X plus 8, and that will be 20 years old. So, yan yung mga edad nila, 12 and 20. So, madali lang talaga yung age problem. As long as gamitin mo yung table na to, and maglagay ka ng one variable as much as possible. Huwag kang gagamit ng dalawang variable kung kaya. Okay? And then, tandaan mo lang din yung is, present, was, past, or ago, or lahat yun past, and then yung will be, or from now, or in, yung mga yun ay indications ng future. Okay? Another one. Number 5. Gabby is 1 year more than twice Larry's age. 3 years from now, Megan will be 27 less than twice Gabby's age. 4 years ago, Megan was 1 year less than 3 times Larry's age. How old will Megan be 3 years from now? Well, syempre hindi araw-araw ay Pasko, no? May mga mahirap din naman ng mga problem, no? At marami sila. Well, actually ito, hindi naman siya yung sa mahirap. Minsan lang sa dami ng mga conditions or statements, minsan nalilito ka, no? Basta ang importante, stick ka dun sa table. Okay? 3 ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Andyan si Gabby, andyan si Larry, andyan si Megan, no? Now, ang sabi dun sa unang statement, umpisan mo lagi dun sa unang statement, Gabby is 1 year more than twice Larry's age. Okay? So, Kung maglagay tayo ng variable dyan, pag pilian natin si Larry at saka si Gabby kasi sila yung nasa unang statement. Sa is tayo, so sa present, ilagay ko na lang yung x kay Larry. Mas madali kung titignan natin yung statement. Kasi sabi niya, 1 year more than twice Larry's age. Now, pag sinabing 1 more than twice, ibig sabihin yan is yung 1, ilagay mo dun sa dulo. So, plus 1 yung nasa dulo. Pag sinabi naman niyang 1 less than twice, so dun sa dulo magiging minus 1. So, ito yung ibig sabihin ko, no? 2x plus 1. Dun sa dulo mo ilagay yung 1 year more than. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, higit ng isang taon. So, idagdag mo yung plus 1. So, twice that of Larry's age. At ang edad ni Larry ay x. Okay? Second, kanya lang dito, no? Ang binanggit lang dun sa una, ay sa present na statement is si Larry at saka si Gabby. Walang binanggit na Megan. Wala tayong magagawa. Maglagay tayo ng isa pang variable. Yan si Y. Okay? Kahit anong gamitin nyo naman, walang problema. Now, from here, sabi niya, 4 years ago. Okay? Dun sa kasunod na statement. 4 years ago. Oh, no. Mayroon pa palang nauna. 3 years from now, Megan will be 27 less than twice Gabby's age. So sabi niya 3 years from now. Again, that's future. Or plus 3 or 3 years from now. So ibig sabihin, dagdagan natin yung edad nilang lahat ng 3. Okay? Lahat sila, dagdagan mo yung edad ng 3. And then sa susunod na statement, sabi niya, 4 years ago. Again, start ka dun sa present, pabalik ka dun sa past. Okay? 4 years ago, start sa present, pabalik sa past. So, bawasan mo lahat ng present ages nila ng tig-4. Okay? So, yan yung ating table. Nakumpleto na natin. Now, let's go. Umpisahan natin dun sa statement na 3 years from now. Okay? Dun sa future na side. Now, sabi niya dun, Megan, 3 years from now, Megan will be 27 less than twice Gabby's age. Again, yung 27 less than is minus 27 dun sa dulo. Okay, so ito sabi niya, Megan, M, will be equal 27 less than, minus 27 sa dulo, twice or 2G. Twice ni Gabby. So, ito yung magiging equation natin. M is equal to 2G minus 27. Okay? Now, yung edad ni Megan in the future is Y plus 3. Yung edad ni Gabby in the future is 2X plus 4. Kasi plus 1 plus 3 doon. Minus 27. And from here, pwede nating i-simplify and pwede nating kunin yung value ni Y in terms of X, which is Y is equal to 4X minus 22. Okay? Now, wala tayong magagawa dyan. I-let na muna natin yan na equation number 1. Okay? May isa pang condition. Sabi niya, 4 years ago or in the past, 4 years ago, Megan M was equal 1 year less minus 1 sa dulo than 3 times Larry's age. So, M is equal to 3L minus 1. Now, in the past, yung edad ni Megan is Y minus 4. So, yung edad ni Larry in the past is X minus 4. And then, from there, kukuha na naman natin yung value ni Y in terms of X. And ang lalabas dito ay Y is equal to 3X minus 9. Again, maraming ibang pwedeng gawin dito. Pwede nang i-mode 5-1 doon sa inyong calculator. Pwede nyo by substitution or pwede nyo sabihin na ganito para ma-solve yung value ng Y at X. So, solve natin yung value ng X and Y. Para magawa yan, ang ginawa ko na lang is Y is equal to Y. Again, pwede nyong i-mode 5-1 to equations to unknown or pwede nyong by substitution, palitan nyo yung Y dito dun sa Y dun sa kabila or just equate si Y is equal to Y. No? So, Y is equal to Y. Yung Y dun sa una is 4X minus 22. Yung Y dun sa pangalawa is 3X minus 9. So, equal lang sila. And from there, one equation in terms of x na lang, isang variable na lang. So, ang magiging value ng x will become 13. Okay? So, kung meron na tayong value ng x, masasolve na rin natin yung value ng y, which is now y. Kunin natin kahit ano dyan actually, no? Kahit yung 4x minus 22 o yung 3x minus 9 ay parehas lang ibibigay nun. Now, 4x minus 22, pag nilagay natin si 13 dun sa x, ang lalabas na value ng y ay 30. Okay? Now, balikan natin yung problem. Ang sabi sa problem, yung hinahanap talaga sa problem ay ito. How old will Megan be 3 years from now? So, ang hinahanap natin ay yung edad ni Megan in the future. 3 years from now, future. So, balikan mo yung table. Hanapin mo dyan. Megan, future. Megan, future. Yan yon. So, kung yan yung age ni Megan sa future, and that will be m is equal to Megan's age will be y plus 3, which ang y is nasolve natin na 30 plus 3, that will be 33. So, in the future, 3 years from now, Megan will be 33 years old. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. If you learned something, consider subscribing, sharing, like. Kung may mga tanong kayo, you can leave comments down below. And see you guys dun sa susunod na topic natin. Salamat. Thank you for watching.